Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Timmy Skin Glow. I'm Elijah and Mama Timmy Rachel. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, Timmy Skin Glow channel is all about skincare, and here I share simple to advanced DIYs with you on skincare formulation to help you achieve that healthy glowing skin. I also do product review on this channel, and yes, I share top secrets with you on skincare to help you achieve your desired skin goal. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget, Timmy Skin Glow products are available for immediate delivery and we deliver worldwide. Distance is never a barrier. Distance should not stop you from glowing this 2023. Yes, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Follow Timmy Skin Glow on Instagram. And you can follow me on my personal page at Elijah Timmy Rachel. I'm going to follow you back. All right. Our skincare ebooks are available. Yes, we have ebook on product formulation, natural skincare formulation ebook is available. We also have an online training for that. Pro mixing ebook is available as well. Whitening base cream ebook is available. And yes, we have our whitening activator ebook also. Don't forget, if you're interested in making your own natural body enhancement product like butt oil, boobs femi cream, and body and weight gain enhancement, natural weight gain powder, protein powder, send me a message via WhatsApp. The number is on the screen, or you send me a mail. I'm going to reply you. Okay, these ebooks are available. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you something quite different from the regular. Yes, so today I'm going to tell you how to make your own natural drinks that will help to clean your blood. You really need to detox. You need to clean your blood every now and then. It helps you to get that natural glowing skin as well, and for general well-being. Okay, so this video is going to give you a recipe on how to DIY your natural drink, okay, to help clean your blood. So I know, yeah, there are detox drinks in the market, detox tea, green tea, lemon tea. There's so many kind of tea in the market that really help to detox your system. You should really make time to take those detox tea. Okay, you need to keep your blood clean because your blood is responsible for transporting nutrients, oxygen, hormones to tissue and vessel in your body. You want to look good, you want to look younger, you want to look healthy, then you should detox your system. So number one here, it's basil leaf. Okay. Another word for basil leaf is scent leaf. This is very common. If you're in Nigeria, yeah, it's very affordable. You can, even with 50 naira, you can get scent leaf. 100 naira, you can get it, and you're really going to get a lot from your local market at that price. So using basil leaf to drink tea, it's really going to help purify your blood, and it's going to help the kidney and the liver detoxify via urine. Okay, so when you take this detox tea using scent leaf, also known as basil leaf, it's going to help clean your blood vessels. It's going to help clean your kidney and your liver. Okay, it also has a very good antibacterial properties. Scent leaf has antibacterial property, and it also has anti-inflammatory property. Now you see why you need this scent leaf. It's not difficult. Okay, and you also number two on my list is lemon juice. I'm talking of the natural one, homemade, not the one sold in the market. Some of those ones in the market has sweeteners, they have artificial flavor. That's not what I want. We're going all natural. That's why I said it's natural drink, DIY. You do it yourself. This is what you can do at home. So you just need the lemon juice. When you drink lemon juice, it helps to clear your blood. Okay, remember these 5 drinks I'm sharing with you are drinks to help clear your blood. So when you drink lemon juice, it's going to help to clear your blood, clean it up. Lemon juice creates a hostile environment for viruses and pathogens. So you see, lemon juice is really good, okay, and it has antibacterial properties. So number three on my list is turmeric. You know turmeric. You use it at home. We use it for cooking. We use it in making our black soup. We use it in making skincare products. Turmeric is very good. It has anti-inflammatory benefit. Okay, it helps to clean your blood as well and heals your body system. That's what turmeric does. It's very good. It also helps to increase the red blood cell production. So what you have to do is simple: mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric with milk and drink it. Do it in the morning on empty stomach, preferably. Preferably, you're gonna love it. This also helps to clean your blood. You should do it often. And number four is apple cider vinegar. This is so good. Okay, it has apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits. Okay, it's also good for weight loss. So if you're trying to do to lose weight, there's a way you're going to take it and it's going to help for that. So apple cider vinegar here, it helps to balance the pH level of your body. Okay, and it purifies your blood as well. Remember here, we're talking about how to clean our blood naturally. Okay, apple cider vinegar is good. So what you should do is take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You have to dilute it. You're not taking it as it is. It's acidic. You cannot take it directly. So just put 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water, okay, to dilute it, and then take on empty stomach in the morning. You are not to take the whole different type of drink I've listed. You have to do one. Anyone you can do out of them. I'm not saying you should take turmeric drink in the morning together with your lemon and your basil tea and then apple cider vinegar at once. No, you can. If you cannot do the scent leaf drink, the scent leaf tea, you can do the turmeric. If you cannot do turmeric, you can do apple cider vinegar. Okay, if you cannot do that one, you can take just pure water. Water is very good as well. It's a natural, it detoxes the system naturally. Okay. So when you take water, it helps to flush your system. It helps to clean your blood. It's so good. You should take a lot of water because vitamins and minerals flow when you drink enough water. Okay? And it also helps to flush toxic substances from your body, okay? And it keeps essential organs in good shape. So when we tell you drink enough water to get a glow, to keep your skin healthy and all of that, this is what we're talking about. It's for your own good. So these are the 5 ways to clean your blood naturally without breaking the bank. So I hope you find this video interesting. I hope you've learned something today. Remember, you are not to do the whole types of detox drink at once. You have to choose one out of them. Either you go with the water, take it enough, or you do the turmeric drink, or you do the apple cider vinegar drink, or you do the basil drink. You know, I said basil drink is the same thing, and basil tea is the same thing as saint leaf tea. I'm not asking you to go and buy turmeric drink in the market. I'm not asking you to go and buy lemon drink in the market. No, do it yourself. Buy the natural, the raw turmeric as it is. Buy the raw lemon as it is, and do your drink. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click the subscribe button for more educative videos like this. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. We have a lot of educative videos on this channel. They are categorized into different playlists. So take your time to go through. You know, you're going to find something you're gonna love. Okay, explore the videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.